Welcome back to Car Rev 3. Just when you thought the new Ferrari 12Cilindri was safe from the tuning world, Mansory kicked down the door and said, "Hold my beer." Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Mansory Equestre. Yes, that is the real name, and yes, they actually painted it purple. If you are a Ferrari purist, you might want to grab a stress ball because this is going to hurt. Mansory took the elegant, Daytona-inspired lines of the 12Cilindri and gave it the full Gotham City villain treatment. The most shocking part? They did not put a massive ironing board wing on the back. For once, Mansory showed some restraint, but don't worry, they made up for it with carbon fiber. The entire front bumper, the side skirts, and that massive rear diffuser are made of their signature forged carbon. It looks like crushed marble mixed with pure aggression. The launch spec is finished in a bespoke two-tone paint that fades from a deep violet into raw carbon black. It is definitely giving off some serious Joker vibes. They also swapped the stock wheels for massive 22-inch forged lightweight alloys that look sharp enough to cut steak. Now, pop the door open and things get even wilder. Mansory has completely retrimmed the cabin, and honestly, it is intense. The entire interior is covered in a custom gray Alcantara that feels ultra premium. But then they hit you with the purple. The seats, the dashboard, the door panels, and even the floor mats have vibrant violet stitching and accents. It is like driving inside a bottle of grape soda. But the real showstopper is the roof. They added a Starlight Headliner with integrated LED lights, so now your Ferrari has a Rolls-Royce vibe. Is it necessary? No. Is it cool? Maybe. Sit in the driver's seat and you grab a new carbon leather sports steering wheel that now features integrated shift lights at the top, just like a Formula One car. So when you are ripping through gears, the wheel lights up to tell you when to shift. And of course, there are illuminated Mansory logos everywhere, on the seats, the door sills, and even the seat belts, just in case you forget who turned your Ferrari into a spaceship. Under that long vented hood, they massaged the 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. The stock car puts out 819 horsepower, which is already insane, but Mansory bumped it up to 855 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque. They did it with a new ECU tune and a high-performance exhaust system that apparently screams louder than a Banshee. 0 to 60 is now happening in roughly 2.7 seconds. It is terrifyingly fast. Look, the stock 12Cilindri is a masterpiece of design. It is clean, retro, and classy. The Mansory Equestre is none of those things. It is loud, it is obnoxious, and it screams, "Look at me." But here is the kicker. If you pull up to the casino in Monaco in a standard Ferrari, you fit in. If you pull up in this purple monster, you own the place. But what do you guys think? Is that purple interior a vibe or a crime? And would you take this over a stock Ferrari? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you love V12s and sub for more daily car content. I will catch you in the next one.